Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread soft and fluffy step by step. Begin by measuring flour and water precisely and activate yeast in warm water. I will guide you through kneading, proofing, shaping, and baking with practical tips. Follow timing cues and tactile signs so you can feel when the dough is ready. Small adjustments to hydration and oven temperature make a big difference in texture, and in this video, I will show how to make bread soft and fluffy step by step. Kneading develops gluten and creates structure, so work the dough until it stretches thin without tearing. Proof the dough in a warm spot until doubled, which usually takes 1 to 2 hours. Handle the dough gently when shaping to preserve air bubbles and allow a final rise for a lighter, tender crumb before baking. In this video, I will show how to make bread soft and fluffy step by step. Create steam during the first 10 minutes of baking for better oven spring and a thin, crisp crust. Maintain even oven temperature and avoid opening the door too often, which collapses the loaf. Let bread cool on a wire rack so moisture escapes evenly, resulting in a soft, airy interior and an appealing crust texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.